So in this video, I'm going to cover off the safe isolation of a single phase distribution board. So first thing to do, make sure we've got all our kit ready. It's all right, there's nothing wrong with it. GS38 approved, test instrument is there. I've got my lock with a unique key, lock off device, label and any tools that I'm going to require to undertake the task. So the first thing I'm going to check, I've got an indicator that shows the board is actually powered up. So I know there is power into the board. And I can see I've got distribution board 2, distribution board 1, and I can identify here that this board is fed from down here. So I can actually isolate this at this distribution board so there are no live conductors in there when I remove the basic protection, when I take the cover off. So I've identified where I'm going to do it. Get permission from whoever your site supervisor is. So I've got permission. And I'm going to turn off the loads. So when I switch this breaker down here, I'm not switching it on load, so that there are no loads going through it. So I've identified where the best place is, which is distribution board 2. Turn that off. Insert my breaker lock with my lock and label, as we've done in all the other videos. Unique key goes into my pocket. So now I'm fairly sure. See, there's no indicator, the lights aren't working. So we can now safely remove this cover with a fairly good understanding that there are no live conductors inside there. So check my instrument with my proving unit to make sure it's working as ever. Yes, it is. And identify the terminations. So I've got my main neutral incomer, my main line incomer, and my earth bar. So as ever, same sequence: earth to neutral, earth to live, neutral to live, all 0 indications. Just check that we're okay. Yep, that's fine. So I'm now absolutely certain that I've de-energized this board. It's quite safe to work on inside this board. These incomers are in fact turned off. Right, so now we just reverse the process to put it all back together again. So once I'm complete, first thing to do is replace my cover. Ask permission before I remove any locks, so I'll assume I've been given permission. So key back out, undo my lock, and at this stage note that my breakers in distribution board 2 are still in the off position, so I'm not switching any load when I turn this on. So I can turn the circuit on, close up distribution board 1, and turn these on one at a time. And you can already see my indicator has come back on. My lights now work, so I've re-energized the circuit, gone all the way through the process. That's how we do a single phase distribution board.